What is up, YouTube? How's it going? It is I, Mr. Graves here, bringing you another video. Hope you're having a blessed day. And today, if you're watching me right now, you're probably wondering how to make money online. And I'm just here to share some information. You can start making money online. You can start profiting online with under $10 starting out. So yes, you can start a business, you can profit from this business with under $10, and this is a one-time fee here. So I'm going to show you everything that I have to offer as far as this information goes. So this right here, this is what you see here, this is a lead capture page. I'm going to show you how that works, but for right now, I'm going to show you some income proof. All right, so I joined this program in 2017, April 21st, and then 3 days later, I got my first sale, 3 days later. So within 72 hours, I was able to get my first sale. And with the right information, you guys can actually make a sale quicker if you choose to. Okay, so yes, one time $7. This whole system is a one-time $7. All right, so now that you know how much you can make, now that you know how much to put in, now we can talk about the product. So what is this? What is this system here? So this is Lead Lightning. Again, this is a one-time $7. The product is Lead Lightning, and all it is it's a marketing system. It's a marketing system to help people put their business on automation when they're trying to make money online. So basically, you don't have to manually put out emails. You don't have to manually follow up. Lead Lightning does all the selling and telling for you, and the following up for you. So all you have to do is just drive traffic to the capture page, and this is a capture page from Lead Lightning. All right, so yeah, let's get into the strategy here. Let's talk about the strategy. Okay, so you get in, you pay your $7, right? You got your capture page, you already got a biz op presentation, and you already have an email list. Now you just have to just focus on getting traffic to your capture page. All right, so to the left, you have about 6 traffic sources. These are all free except Craigslist, but because when I first hopped on Craigslist was how I got my first sale, because I posted my first ad in the gig section, and it was free to post in the gig section. Now it is no longer free to post in the gig section. So yeah, so you got YouTube, Craigslist, Periscope. The second column is more of like MLM based traffic sources, but these are still free: ibotoolbox, MLM Gateway, and Quora. And then you got Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and then you got everything else out there. So we're not even talking about paid traffic. We're not even talking about paid traffic. We're just focusing on free traffic sources, because I know you just starting out. You probably don't want to put up a lot of money right now for traffic, but you know you got to get your feet wet. You got to still get traffic. So you can still get traffic from social media platforms. All right. So let me get my brush tool. So you driving all of this traffic to your capture page. Okay, all of this traffic is going to your capture page. And what is a capture page? Again, this is a capture page right here. All right, someone puts in their email, and then they get presented to the sales page. So one of the things that really makes a capture page great to have in your system, because you get to contact. You get your contact details, you get your emails, and people are seeking interest. So when people come to your capture page and opt in, they want to know more information. Okay, and so when they opt in, so when they put in their email address, and exactly the next page will talk about Lead Lightning. All right, so that's why this section right here, the biz op presentation, that's why that's in green, because that's your money sign right here. This is how you get your money. You get your money by sending people to your sales presentation, how to get started. That's how you get your money. You get your money by driving traffic, and then once people opt in to your capture page, immediately they get presented with the Lead Lightning sales page, how to get started, what is it, and it plays automatically. So this is all automatic. You don't have to. You can be sleeping. Someone comes to your capture page. You can be asleep. I post a YouTube video. I go to sleep. someone watches my video in my sleep and then opts into my capture page automatically. This is automation, all right? And that's very key when making money online is automation, all right? So again, another powerful thing about having a capture page is that once you get your contact's email, they immediately go into your email list. And your email list is your number one asset in making money online. I repeat, your email list is your number one asset when making money online because that's how you're able to follow up with the people that show interest. So you can follow up with these people and again, just because someone opts in, that does not mean you get an automatic sale. Okay, they have to know you because this is a complete stranger coming to your capture page. All right, so it's gonna take them a while to get warmed up to you. So, and that's your job to get people warmed up to you. Share your YouTube videos, share your blog posts, share your results. Talk about the plan. Talk about the plan. Talk about the plan. Talk about the plan. That's very important because people may not join you within the first month or the first 2 months. They might wait until a whole year. You never know. You don't want to rush people. You can't rush people. People join at their own time. People move at their own time. So all you have to do is just drive people to the capture page and once because again these are strangers, so once you start sending them information, once you start following up with these people, they're going to get warmed up to you. So now they're not going to be cold, they're going to be warm prospects, and then that's when they're going to, that's when the sales come. The sales don't come automatically, okay? Again, there may be some cases where somebody opts in and joins right away, but don't count on it. Don't count on it. The power is in the follow up. Okay, so the reason why your email list again is your number one asset because follow up and show them what you do. You can send them your YouTube videos, send them your blog posts, again, so on your leads, your email list, your results. Okay, so it's like a system here. You can send your sales page back to your email list. So it's like a continuous cycle of you driving traffic and you getting people to your capture page and you following up with these people. If you were interested in finding out how to make money online with under $10, lead lighting is your best bet. All right, that is how you can make a profit from a real business. And this is a one-time $7, and you can make sales over and over and over again. And once you upgrade, when you upgrade, you have the ability to make higher commissions, $400 commissions, $1,000 commissions, $400 commissions, things like $100 commissions. So you have this space is there to grow. You can grow in this system, okay? And again, there's no rush. There's no rush. You move whenever you want to move, okay? Because I've been with this program for almost a year and a half, maybe 2 years, and I upgraded, but then I downgraded. Okay, but I'm gonna upgrade very, very soon. So just keep that in mind. You can't rush people. People moving on their own time. So all you have to do is just make sure the content is there. Your job is to make sure you drive traffic to the capture page and make sure that your content is there so that they can know you and trust you. Because again, when they opt into your capture page, they don't know you. They don't know you. So once you get their emails and then you start following up, showing them that you're a real person, showing them that you're consistent and not gonna quit and join another program, okay, another marketing system like ClickFunnels. Show them that you're here to help them and that you're here to provide value and solve people's problems. Okay, if you know how to solve people's problems, you're gonna be good. Okay, and if you want to make money online, a marketing system is a perfect way to make money online. It's a perfect way to start because people may be in a business, but they don't know how they don't have a marketing system. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you one or two ways to go about pitching this marketing system. All right, so you can either do what I'm doing right now and tell people, hey, this is how you can make money, from under $10, or you can get them in that way. Or if they're already in a business, and they can use this program to build their business and put it on automation. So because if chances are if they in a business then they don't have a marketing system, and you need a marketing system, guys. You need a marketing system. If you want to make money online, you need a marketing system. Period. You need a marketing system. You can either do what I'm doing and pitch that way. Well, let's say you have a guy that's in this business and you know he doesn't have a marketing system, so you can market to him. Or you can make a video that's catered to his business. People in his business can see your video and opt in, and look and see if they need a marketing system, because this is what people need. People need marketing systems if they want to make money online, because a marketing system puts your business on autopilot. And you need that if you want to make money online, because you don't want to just be sending emails all day and night and doing everything manually. Like that's wasting time. That is how you will go about making money online. Just drive traffic and follow up. And that's basically it. Just drive traffic and follow up and make sure you stay consistent. And so they know. So people may not join you for a year or so. And if you quit within that year, then that's your fault. So make sure you're consistent. All right. So sorry about the rant, guys. And I really just wanted to just show this content. This is really powerful. So I really just wanted to just get this out there to the people, because this is very valuable and powerful. So yeah, and starting your own business from under $10 is kind of surreal, but this is for real. So thanks for watching, guys. My name is Mr. Graves. All the links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. See you on the inside. Peace.